Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy characters. First, gather your essential supplies, including a reliable cotton candy machine and sturdy paper cones. Next, select your preferred colors of floss sugar. Vibrant hues truly bring your creations to life. Finally, prepare a clean, flat workspace. This ensures a smooth and easy process as you begin assembling your delightful cotton candy figures. To begin crafting your characters, spin a small, dense ball of cotton candy to form the head. For the body and limbs, create larger, looser clouds of floss. The key is to work quickly and gently. Carefully press and mold these cotton candy portions into your desired basic shapes, ensuring they hold together without becoming too compact. Now, let's add those charming details. Use tiny wisps of cotton candy to form eyes, ears, and noses. Don't be afraid to layer different colors to give your characters unique and expressive faces. Remember to attach these smaller features very carefully, applying just enough pressure to secure them without crushing the main body or head. Precision here makes a big difference. For the final touches, securely attach all the character parts, applying gentle, even pressure. If you want to add even finer details, edible markers or small sprinkles can create tiny, precise accents like pupils or buttons. Your cotton candy characters are now ready to delight. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your creative space. Enjoy your sweet creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.